Hey everybody, welcome back. How y'all doing? I'm doing pretty good. I have a box opening. It's kind of a bigger box. I've been watching, I always watch these girls. If you want to have some fun and brighten your day, go watch Thania. I can't remember her whole channel name, but it's Thania. I'll link it down below. And Charlotte's Beauty Room. Charlotte's Beauty Room. They are so funny. They're so fun. They're a lot of fun to watch. Anyway, Thania's gotten into Juicy Couture. It was really big, popular back, not too long ago, but I started watching her and she was getting all excited about these things, and as a teenager, so they're about the same age as my daughter, so probably back in their early 90s. So this was really popular, and they were kind of expensive for young girls. Well, I was looking, I was like, I have something juicy. What is it? I got this little perfume bottle. I love it. I think my daughter got it for me. And it smells awesome. I have no idea what kind it is, what the brand, what it's called. I don't know. It doesn't say. But I love this. It's one of my favorite perfumes. So I have that. I may have had some of those purses back then. I got rid of a lot of my stuff. I don't think I had one of those. Well, anyway, she's showing her whole collection that she has now. And I'm like, ooh, those are gorgeous. It caught my eye. I have some pink right here. I could not find that color pink, that blush pink. And if I did find something, it was a couple $100, and I'm not going to pay that. So I kept looking through Poshmark and Macari, and I was looking at she also has some that are pink and brown, like a brown color. I'm like, ooh, those are pretty. And I got some small purses, but I'm kind of a bigger purse kind of gal. I like to carry the kitchen sink everywhere I go. So anyways, I found, and she showed how to look if it's authentic or not, or whatever, which if they're not, that's fine. They're still beautiful. Well, I had a bunch I liked. A bunch of them sold by the time I had money to be able to get one. And I finally found another one. I'm like, ooh, let me see if it's available. I always ask if it's available because sometimes they sold it somewhere else and they never took it down or whatever. So it was available. She offered me a deal, and that's what I got today. So I want to show you. Anyway, what else Thania is going to do, and Charla has the jewelry. She has a couple of the purses, but she shows the jewelry. But Thania has the purses and stuff, and she's been restoring them. And some of them she's resold or whatever. Well, this one looked like it was in pretty good shape. It needs to be cleaned from the pictures. And I'm like, okay, she's going to do a video at some point on how to do that. And I said, well, I'll get it, and then I'll clean it like she says. And I'll look up how to clean it too. But I love it. It finally came today. It's in really good shape. There's no holes that I saw that they saw pictures. It just needs to be cleaned. And of course, this is an older purse, so it's going to have some wear. But I found one. Look at that. And it's pink and brown. And once it's clean, this is going to be a brighter pink, I think. And it has this little thing. And it has, on the inside, it says the shop. And it has the little mirror, and it has the big thing right there. But it's in really good shape, and it's magnet, and it's big, and I can put stuff. I have a bunch of stuff. Actually, I'm using my Speedy, well, it's not, yeah, my Speedy 30, and this is bigger than that. So this is cool. I may not use this all the time, but I do like it. Has the J on the thing. It's in really good shape. It's magnet closure. I'm going to end up adding my own stuff to it, but it has the pocket on the side right here. And it doesn't have the feet on the bottom, but that's okay. But it's not scuffed. I mean, on the edge, around the edges or the handle, it's leather. You can tell it's leather. But it does need to be cleaned in some spots, you know? Right here, right here. But it's still usable. I mean, it's beautiful. So I picked me up one. So if I can find one that's reasonable, that I really like. There's another one that I like. It's smaller, and it's kind of like a U-shaped almost, and it has two of these pockets on the side. I don't know what the name of it is, but I really want one of those, but I want it in that light pink color. But this is pretty, so I can add this to my purse collection. I don't know how I'm going to hang it up, but I'll figure out how to hang it up. But I thought that would be fun. I'm so excited. And it has the little lace. It's not lace, it's silk bow. You could turn this around so it's more pink than the brown. But so pretty. So thought I'd share with you. It was a lot of fun box openings. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you all again very soon. Bye now.